Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. So in this free spoken English classes, today I am going to explain you the usage of how far. The phrase how far. Okay, let's see the usage of this how far. How far phrase is used to ask about the distance. I repeat, how far phrase is used to ask about the distance. Now let's see some of the examples from this how far structure. Let's see the first one, how far do I need to go to the coffee shop? I repeat, how far do I need to go to the coffee shop? And the second one, how far do I need to come to your place? I repeat, how far do I need to come to your place? Now the third one, how far have you come in your fitness journey? I repeat, how far have you come in your fitness journey? Now let's see the fourth one. The fourth one is, how far have you learned your course? I repeat, how far have you learned your course? The fifth one, how far did you come? I repeat, how far did you come? And the sixth one, how far do you walk every day? I repeat, how far do you walk every day? Now let's see the seventh sentence. The seventh sentence is, how far will you come along with me? I repeat, how far will you come along with me? Now the eighth one, how far do you know this work? I repeat, how far do you know this work? Now the ninth sentence, how far have you completed your project? I repeat, how far have you completed your project? Now let's see the 10th one and the last one. How far is the airport from your place? I repeat, how far is the airport from your place? These are the 10 sentences I have given in this session related to how far. Now let's see. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos, and please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.